When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, few upgrades make as significant an impact as replacing old windows. In Farmington Hills, where homes are surrounded by lush landscapes and picturesque neighborhoods, new windows not only enhance the appearance of your home but also contribute to increased property value and energy efficiency. Here's how installing new windows can transform your home and make it stand out in the community. Aesthetic transformation for your home. One of the first things people notice about a home is its windows. Outdated, weathered, or poorly maintained windows can detract from your home's appearance. New windows, on the other hand, create a clean, polished look that elevates your home's style. Homeowners in Farmington Hills have the benefit of choosing from a wide variety of window styles to match their home's architecture. Whether you prefer classic double-hung windows for a traditional look, modern casement windows for a sleek design, or specialty shapes to add a unique flair, there's an option for every taste. Choosing the right frame material and color also helps to complement your home's exterior. From timeless white frames to bold black finishes, the right choice can make your home visually striking while maintaining harmony with its surroundings. Increased natural light and visibility. New windows don't just look great from the outside, they also enhance your experience inside the home. Modern windows are designed with larger glass areas and thinner frames, allowing more natural light to flood your living spaces. Natural light not only makes your home feel more open and inviting but also highlights its best features. In a community like Farmington Hills, where the seasons bring vibrant fall foliage and bright summer greenery, new windows provide a clearer and more vibrant view of the outdoors, making your home feel connected to its environment. Energy efficiency and comfort. Farmington Hills residents experience a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from snowy winters to humid summers. Replacing old, drafty windows with energy-efficient models can make your home more comfortable and cost-effective to maintain. Modern windows are equipped with features like low E-glass coatings, multiple panes with gas insulation, and weather-tight seals, which minimize heat loss in winter and reduce heat gain in summer. This means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to keep your home comfortable, leading to lower energy bills. Additionally, energy-efficient windows are an attractive selling point for potential buyers. As more people look for sustainable and cost-conscious homes, investing in new windows can make your property more appealing on the market. Enhanced safety and security. Another often overlooked benefit of new windows is improved security. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and impact-resistant glass that provide an extra layer of protection for your home. For families in Farmington Hills, these features offer peace of mind, knowing that their home is safer from intrusions and accidents. Additionally, strong and durable windows are better equipped to handle Michigan's occasionally harsh weather conditions, such as high winds and heavy snowfall. Increased property value. When it comes time to sell your home, the curb appeal provided by new windows can play a significant role in attracting buyers. Homes with updated windows often command higher prices because buyers recognize the long-term value of this upgrade. Real estate experts frequently emphasize the importance of first impressions. New windows show prospective buyers that your home has been well maintained, reducing their concerns about costly repairs after purchase. This can lead to quicker sales and better offers, making the investment in new windows well worth it. Customization to match Farmington Hills' charm. Farmington Hills boasts a mix of historic homes, mid-century designs, and modern builds. New windows can be tailored to complement the unique character of your home and the neighborhood. Whether you're preserving the charm of a colonial-style home or adding contemporary touches to a more modern property, updated windows help your home fit seamlessly into its surroundings. Conclusion: new windows are more than just a functional upgrade. They're an investment in your home's beauty, efficiency, and value. For homeowners in Farmington Hills, the benefits go beyond curb appeal. With increased natural light, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced security, replacing your windows creates a lasting impact that you'll appreciate every day. Whether you're looking to refresh your home's look or prepare it for sale, consider making new windows a priority. They're a clear way to boost your curb appeal and make your home a standout in Farmington Hills.